Today I'm going to be unboxing this Tech2 Scanner clone. Got it for 375 bucks shipped on eBay, which is way better than several $1,000s. My GM mechanic friend, who has been GM mechanic for over 20 years, told me he uses one of these, and I decided to buy it because I need to do some diagnostics on this 2004 H1 Hummer I've got. Let's see what all this came with. And just to note, not all of these packages that you buy from eBay and other sites come with all the same stuff. You'll notice some of them don't have very good reviews, some of them do have good reviews, so they're not all created equal from what I've been told. I'll put the link to this particular one in the description so that if you do want one, you can buy one yourself as well. So these are a few of the connectors that come with it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ones in here. It looks like an OBD2 plug, various GM diagnostic connectors, some kind of a serial connector, you got this one here. Got your power connector with 2 fuses in that block there. Another diagnostic connector. You've got your, looks like, what is this? The power source to plug into your cigarette lighter adapter. And a little RJ45 connector. I don't know exactly what it's for. I'm sure I'll find out. We've got the documentation CD and another documentation CD. Don't know what the difference is between the two. Not sure if I need them. And last but not least, we've got a power adapter. So it looks like it comes pretty complete with everything. I thought this one came with a case, but maybe it didn't. I'm gonna look at the eBay listing and make sure I got everything. Next thing I'm gonna do is get it powered up, connect it to the vehicle, and see how it works. Wish me luck, and make sure to subscribe to get notified of the next video as I go through the functions and setting it up to run diagnostics on our Hummer H1, which is going to be the same as most of your late 90s, mid 90s, early 2000s GM and GMC trucks, Chevy trucks. Love you guys. See you next time.